All right, let's do this. Ah, it's rusted.
Yeah.
All right, ready, Mo?
Yeah, I'm ready.
I swear, this is totally filmed. It's like live. All right, let's do this. Bit rattly.
What is this?
Oh yeah, this is a standstill launch.
Oh.
Here we go, it's firing up.
Here we go.
Oh.
That was tall.
That wasn't bad. The only thing I'm kind of afraid of is because of how big I am. I don't feel like it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I'm like, oh, it's not bad.
Our friendship will never die. You're gonna see the friends, I hope you enjoy dashing around the backyard. Stay safe until we come to a wait.
All right.
Remember to grab all your stuff and step out to your right.
That was fun.